Artificial intelligence, AI, has been rapidly evolving, with new breakthroughs emerging almost weekly. But among the most significant developments in 2025 is the rise of China's DeepSeek AI, which has swiftly captured global attention and is now posing a serious challenge to the dominance of US-based AI giants like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. As DeepSeek gains traction, the AI arms race has entered an unprecedented new phase, sparking increased competition, investment, and strategic shifts among the world's leading technology companies. The rise of DeepSeek, a new AI contender. DeepSeek AI, a China-based artificial intelligence model, has emerged as a formidable competitor to established Western AI models such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. What makes DeepSeek particularly remarkable is its rapid adoption, technological sophistication, and the strategic support it has received from the Chinese government and private sector. Unlike many AI startups that struggle for market recognition, DeepSeek quickly gained mainstream popularity, becoming the most widely used AI application in China within months of its launch. Thanks to its advanced natural language processing (NLP) capabilities, superior context retention, and innovative multimodal functionalities, DeepSeek is proving to be more than just another AI chatbot. It is a comprehensive AI ecosystem that is reshaping the global AI landscape. What sets DeepSeek apart? Multimodal AI capabilities. DeepSeek is not just a text-based large language model, LLM, it integrates seamlessly with voice recognition, image analysis, and even video generation. This means users can interact with DeepSeek AI using text, voice, images, and other inputs, making it highly versatile across various industries, from customer service to content creation and scientific research. Unparalleled language understanding and speed. While US-based AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini are optimized for English, DeepSeek boasts unparalleled proficiency in Mandarin, Cantonese, and other Chinese dialects. Its deep understanding of Chinese linguistic nuances makes it an essential tool for millions of users in China and beyond. Moreover, DeepSeek's ability to process and generate responses at a faster rate than its competitors has made it the go-to AI for many businesses. Government and corporate backing. Unlike Western AI companies, which operate in a largely privatized tech ecosystem, DeepSeek benefits from strong backing by both the Chinese government and major domestic tech giants such as Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu. This support has translated into massive funding, robust computational resources, and strategic policy advantages that allow DeepSeek to develop rapidly without the regulatory roadblocks that often hinder Western AI firms. AI regulation and data access. One of the major advantages DeepSeek has over its Western rivals is access to vast amounts of localized data. While US and European AI firms navigate increasingly stringent data privacy regulations, DeepSeek enjoys relatively unrestricted access to China's vast digital ecosystem, including social media, e-commerce, and financial platforms. This access enables it to refine its models faster and with greater accuracy. The US response: tech giants double down on AI. DeepSeek's rapid success has not gone unnoticed. In response, US tech giants have significantly increased their investments in AI to maintain their competitive edge. Companies like Meta, Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI are now investing tens of billions of dollars to improve AI capabilities, develop more advanced models, and expand AI infrastructure. Meta's AI expansion. Mark Zuckerberg's Meta has announced a massive investment between $60 billion and $65 billion into AI development. The company is focusing on enhancing its AI-driven social media and virtual reality experiences, aiming to integrate AI-powered assistants across its platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Amazon's $100 billion AI infrastructure plan. Amazon is making one of the largest AI infrastructure investments in history, committing over $100 billion to improve its AI services and cloud-based AI offerings. This move will strengthen Amazon Web Services, AWS, as a dominant force in AI-driven enterprise solutions, ensuring it remains a leader in AI infrastructure. Google's AI arms race. Google is responding to DeepSeek's rise with its Gemini project, a multimodal AI model that aims to surpass ChatGPT and DeepSeek in capabilities. With significant investments in research and development, Google is racing to keep its AI models at the forefront of innovation. OpenAI and Microsoft's continued push. OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, remains a key player in the AI industry. Microsoft is actively working on improving its AI-powered Copilot features across Windows, Office 365, and Azure cloud services. The company's strategy is to integrate AI deeply into its software ecosystem, making it an indispensable tool for businesses worldwide. Implications for the global AI market. With DeepSeek's rise and the subsequent response from US tech giants, the global AI market is undergoing a rapid transformation. Here are some key implications. Increased investment in AI infrastructure. The AI competition has led to a surge in AI-related infrastructure investments, with companies pouring billions into computing power, data centers, and energy-efficient AI processing units. This trend is expected to accelerate in the coming years, fueling innovation and efficiency in AI systems. AI regulation and ethical considerations. As AI continues to evolve, governments around the world are working on regulatory frameworks to ensure AI safety, fairness, and accountability. China's relatively lenient AI policies give DeepSeek an edge in rapid deployment, whereas Western AI companies must navigate stricter data protection laws and ethical AI considerations. AI's impact on the workforce. The acceleration of AI capabilities will inevitably disrupt job markets. As AI takes on more tasks in content creation, programming, customer support, and even legal research, industries will need to adapt by reskilling workers and integrating AI-driven workflows. The future of AI collaboration versus competition. The current AI arms race raises an important question: will global AI leaders compete aggressively, or will they find ways to collaborate? While competition drives innovation, the need for global AI safety standards and interoperability may encourage partnerships between Western and Chinese AI companies. Final thoughts. The new AI order. DeepSeek AI's emergence has significantly altered the AI landscape, proving that China is no longer just an AI follower, it is now a major player. As the US and China compete for AI supremacy, users and businesses worldwide will benefit from more powerful, efficient, and intelligent AI systems. While the AI race is intensifying, one thing is certain: artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever before. Whether through competition or collaboration, the next decade will be defined by AI-driven innovation that reshapes industries, economies, and everyday life. The key question now is not whether AI will transform the world, but how, and who will lead the way. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and tech content.